Hello friends. In today's video, I will share with you 5 life hacks on how to speed up the eyelash extension process. My name is Yana and I've been working in the beauty industry for 10 years. From my experience, I want to tell you 5 life hacks on how to speed up the extension process, thereby giving yourself the opportunity to take more clients and increase the average bill. The first life hack is preparing the workspace. Before a client arrives, we need to prepare everything: micro brushes, prepare patches, tape, a measure, trays. I have about 20 such trays with different eyelash diameters, thicknesses, and colors. And when a client comes to me, I have very little to do. It takes time to show them, explain to them how, what, and why, and to select individual extensions for each client. Because when you tell a client that eyelash extensions, for example, classic ones, will take 2 hours, the client arrives and you start preparing for 15 minutes, then spend another 15 minutes choosing extensions. This takes up a lot of unnecessary time for both you and the client. The second life hack is to simultaneously extend both eyes. I know many people extend one eye first, then the other. From my experience, the downside of this method is that it's difficult to accurately control the extension time. When I extend one eye lightly, then I notice that I have little time left, and then we start quickly extending one eye, resulting in one being perfect and the other not so much, leading to a less than ideal result. When you extend both eyes simultaneously, you can better control the remaining time and understand the pace and intensity at which you can work. The third life hack is the double patch technique. This technique is suitable for those clients who have very thick eyelashes. If a client comes to you and you notice that she has eyelashes growing in 4 or 5 rows, then this technique will help you save a good 30, even 45 minutes. The fourth life hack is to set a count for yourself. This technique helps when we start to slow down, because we begin the extension process always full of energy. Our hands are not tired and we extend quickly towards the middle of the extension. We already start to slow down. And when we set a count in our mind, we push ourselves to keep up with that count. For example, isolate a lash, dip it in glue, place it once, isolate the second, dip in glue, place it 3 times, and so on in your head. Count 1, 2, 3, like a waltz, and start aligning your movements with the count you set in your head. The fifth life hack is to tackle the difficult angles first. Before we move on to the fifth life hack, I ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't lose track of me. So the last life hack is to tackle the difficult angles first. The outer corner is the most challenging to extend, as it takes the most time because it's the most delicate area of the eye, with the smallest, thinnest lashes. It's important for the eye to focus well. And when we leave this area for the end, when our hands are already tired, our eyes are tired, we're exhausted, how do we end up exerting twice the effort on these areas? But if we work, for example, using the technique where we first process the outer and inner corners, by the end of the extension we are left with the center of the eye, then this area is considered the easiest. And when we're already a bit tired, we move to the area that's easier. We distribute the workload evenly with the extensions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if you want to master this profession, if you're a beginner, searching, lacking knowledge, looking for additional insights, seeking life hacks, I invite you to my authorial course where I share my experience. With practice and the experience from my first medical education, I offer you to learn with me, girls who are self-taught and do not receive guidance in eyelash extensions. 0. For beginners, everything from A to Z, from eye anatomy to types, modeling, and types of adhesives, how to tame each adhesive, how to select modeling individually for each person, how to work with chemical products. I will teach you all of this, and you will confidently proceed to work, and you will no longer need to search for additional information online. My course is suitable for everyone, including those who have already tried eyelash extensions, but if you feel that you lack knowledge, and for beginners, the information is organized into easy to understand blocks. You will master everything and very easily start and enter this profession, and you will begin to earn your first money. Also, for those who live in the United States of America, to be continued, I have a store where we custom make such wonderful chairs that recline to 180 degrees with special stands that are extremely comfortable, will provide maximum comfort for your clients who, after having an extension done in this chair with you, will definitely return to you because no one else will offer them such a comfortable extension as you will. Also, the special stand makes the chairs high and convenient. You won't have to twist your back, it won't get tired, and there will be no strain on your eyes. This way you will have a good view of the lash line because the couch fully reclines to 180 degrees. You can order this couch individually. In the comments below this video, I will leave a link to my Instagram, Shane, and my Telegram channel where I will answer all your questions. See you in the next video.